Hello. Okay. Hello, everybody. I'm Anita, and today I'm going to be giving you some tips on hiking, especially for those of you who are new to hiking and have never done it before. These are just some questions that I normally get asked from my friends. So yeah, let's go. Here are my tips on the basics that you need when starting hiking. First, join a group. It is a really good idea to join a hiking club. I'm a member of the Johannesburg Hiking Club, mainly because no one else wanted to go hiking with me and I didn't know where to begin. Like I said, I was just a city girl, and my friends were like, why do you want to go walk in the mountains? So I didn't have anyone to go with, so I joined the hiking club. This has a lot of benefits. You get like experienced leaders, you get to go to private trails, right, that aren't really open to the general public. You get to walk off trail. That's also a lot of fun, like just bundu bashing. Another benefit of being a member of the hiking club is you get free hikes at Castle Gorge. Alternatively, what you could do is also just get a group of friends together and go to a well-marked and populated hiking trail such as Penox or Sable Ranch. Those are good places to start, especially if you've never ever hiked before. Number 2, hiking boots. Very important. Love of my life. So once you know that you're into hiking, it is wise to invest in a pair of decent hiking boots, especially if you want to go on those longer hikes, you know, those multi-day hikes where you're carrying heavy backpacks and things like that. Then you really need a boot that can support you and the extra weight. For day hiking, some people actually also prefer to hike in trail runners. That all depends on the trail that you are doing. Number 3, your backpack. Mine is filthy. That's how we know it is living up to its full potential. When you're starting out, you can use any old backpack. When I started, I was using the free ones from Virgin Active. Remember the red ones? Yeah, I think I used that for about 6 or 8 months before I got this backpack. Yeah, so a backpack, it's not really important to have the best one right at the beginning. There are some cool features on backpacks, like this one. I've got like this air gap thing here. It's like really comfortable, I can wear it all day. But you can always do things like that at a later stage. It's not so important. What is important, or rather what is more important, is what is inside your backpack. Number 4, water. Water. Cannot stress this enough. You need to take at least 2 liters of water with you. This is actually left over from my last hike. I filled it up to 2 liters, only drank 1 liter, but it was in a cliff and yeah, it was a really good hike. But it's better to take more water than too little water. Number 5, food. So you would think that this would be obvious, but I have been guilty of this in my early days. Not bringing enough food. Yeah. Always make sure that you bring a variety of snacks, something sweet and something salty, a little treat, you know, like a small like chocolate or something, whatever your poison is. And also bring lunch, like proper lunch, if you get hungry. I will make a more in-depth video about food because there's a lot to that. Next, number 6, sun protection. We live in South Africa, guys. Like, actually, no matter where you live in the world, always, when venturing out on a hike, have like physical sun protection, such as a hat, sunglasses if you want, a long sleeved shirt, like hiking shirts or arm coolers, and then also of course apply sunblock on your skin. That's the least you can do. And remember to reapply, okay? Reapply. It's getting hot these days. Number 7, a small first aid kit. So I'll be honest, when I started hiking I didn't have a first aid kit on me, but it is something that is vitally important. Like, it's one of those things where you don't need it until you do. That's the thing. I hardly ever have to use my first aid kit. In fact, all the times that I've used it has actually been for someone else. And funny thing about that is whenever I've needed one, this was back before I started carrying one, I always got what I needed from someone else's hiking kit. So it seemed once I started bringing my own, I was less accident prone. And also, while we're on that topic with first aid kits and potential dangers, you should always have your medical aid number on you and an emergency contact. Just the name and the number, and of course if you have any other allergies or something like that, just, you know, on a little laminated piece of paper that you keep in your backpack, just always, because what if you're unconscious and you need to call someone and there's no one to call? And yeah, which brings me to another thing. Always tell someone where you are going. Always. Don't get lost in the mountain. And 8, just start. Okay? It's okay. Like, just get out there. I have so many friends who tell me, oh, they'll comment after they see a picture of me hiking. They'll be like, oh, it's so beautiful, I'm gonna come hike with you, but first I need to get fit and this, that. And you know, that's all well and good. Yes, sure, okay, fine, you do enjoy hikes more when you are fitter, that's true. But you can also get fit on the trail. Choose easy hikes to start off with. Just because you're not fit doesn't mean you can't hike. Do an easy hike. Do something like Basora, you know, and Basora it's a hiking trail, and it's basically just little koppies, like near the Magaliesberg, just 3 little koppies that you can like stroll past, and it's like really beautiful setting, very pretty. So you know, that's like a nice place to increase your fitness, where at least you're getting out there, you're seeing something new and different, and you're getting all the hiking vibes, but you're not climbing the whole friggin' mountain. So yeah, that's a good place to start. And then as you get fitter and fitter, you can try more and more difficult trails, and that's really actually the best way to do it. Like, if you want to become hiking fit, the only true way to be hiking fit is by hiking, because I have seen many like gym fit people come on a trail, like on a hiking trail, and they're like, yeah, sure, I can do this, I like whatever they do in the gym. I don't know what happens in the gym, I don't gym, but they go on the trail and they suffer. They're always the ones who suffer the hardest. I don't know why, but that's what happens. I would also suffer the hardest inside a gym, so I guess all's fair, we all have our. But yeah, you gotta get hiking fit on the trail. Things like walking and running, those do assist you as well, but also remember that the terrain is very different. So thank you so much for watching my video, and please remember to subscribe and hit the like button. I don't know what these things are. We just subscribe, like, click the bell, all the things, you know what to do. And also, if you have any questions in regards to hiking and starting out on this new hiking journey, then please comment below. I would really love to hear from you, and I am keen to make way more videos telling you all about my favorite thing in the whole wide world. Okay, bye.